Hey, to change keyboard theme on the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, I can highly recommend you to download the Gboard keyboard, because when you go into the settings of the Samsung keyboard, you can only change between the dark theme and the light theme. So honestly, it's not cool, right? You want to get some colorful theme or even set your custom photo as a theme. So go into the Play Store, find the Gboard, simply install it on your phone. If you don't know how to set it up as default, just simply watch my second YouTube channel. You can search for the install Gboard on the S24 so we can find it. And next, all you have to do is just to go into the general management, go into the keyboard, actually the Gboard settings, click on the theme, and from this we can actually find a lot of different themes, like different colors. We can get some landscapes, pictures, light gradient, dark gradient. But if you want to get the custom one, just click right here, then select something from this one, for example this Harry Potter. Click next, select the brightness of this background picture and click done if you want to finish. Additionally, you can turn on and off the key borders and click apply, and now just take a look. Our keyboard theme has changed. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.